Now, for our last part of our program, may I ask Dr. Alfredo Alcantara Jr., the Public Relations Officer of the Philippine Space Biosciences Society, as well as one of the founding members of our society. Doc, Alfredo, take it away.
Okay, thank you, Doc Paul. And apologies again for the delay. Alam ko, gutom na yung iba sa inyo. It's already lunch break, so we'll make this fast. So, can I go on to the certificate? Okay, I think Doc Renable Reyes already left the Zoom, but if she might be able to watch the live stream. So, their certificate, excuse me, I'll just close my, sorry. This certificate, appreciation are presented to Dr. Reynable Reyes for her invaluable support and giving the opening remarks at World Space Week 2025 Tanglaw Tala, the Filipino contribution to sustainable living beyond Earth, held on October 4, 2025 via Zoom and YouTube live stream. Signed by our President, PS Vice President, Ms. Catherine Liza Kimberly Magdigma, and Chairperson, Dr. Armando Lee. Thank you, Dr. Reynabel. Okay, next, for the presentation of the speaker to Ms. Catherine Daisa Kimberly Mandigma for her invaluable contribution as speaker during this year's World Space Week webinar, Tanglaw Tala, the Filipino Contribution to Sustainable Living Beyond Earth, signed by our chair, Vice Vice Chair, Dr. Lee. Thank you, Ms. Catherine. And of course, Ms. Angeline Macasinag, again, for her invaluable contribution as speaker during the World Space Week. I think pwede nating side by side yung picture ni or yung screen ni Miss Angie para may screenshot tayo. Miss Angie, can you open your camera?
Okay na po,
Para
Doc.
mas okay na,
Wait
sige.
lang po. Apo. Kasi
Sige, later na.
marami po akong minamanipulate eh.
Sige, later na lang.
Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you for signed by our President, Ms. Catherine Magtimba, and Chairperson, Dr. Armando Lee. And lastly, Dr. JP, I think pwede ba natin side by side yung
Yes, Doc. Side by side ko na po.
nakaside at side. So sa view nyo, pwede nyo i-screenshot kay Doc JP na. Okay, so paki-side by side na lang kay Doc JP para ma-screenshot. Okay, so certificate of appreciation to Dr. Joannes Paulos T. Hernandez for his invaluable contribution as speaker during the World Space Week ng Lautala, the Filipino contribution to sustainable living beyond Earth, signed by our PS Vice President and Chairperson. Thank you po, Sir JP.
Thank you, Doc JP. We'll be taking a screenshot po, Doc. 3, 2, 1, smile po. All right, one more po, Doc. 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, thank you so much, Doc JP.
And of course, this event will not be possible without the help of all the volunteers. So if you can open your camera, please open your camera and we'll just have a short screenshot. Of course, me at the PRO, one of the organizers, Miss Angeline Macasinag, the Secretary of PS Bios, who's one who created all these like PubMats that we use and also organize the games. Mr. Rayan Dahukon and Dr. Tanabe, Julian Pineda Tanabe, who also have contributed in organizing this event and also introducing our speakers, and of course Dr. Paul Cordoba, who has like moderate the session for this morning. Okay, can we have a photo op for the volunteers?
All right, Doc.
Account ka lang.
May I ask everyone to please open their cameras? Miss Angie, can you open your camera po? Okay, so Sir Rian, can you open your camera po? Okay, I think both of them have some form of technical difficulties. We will be taking a photograph in 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, one more po. Wait, hindi ko po na ano si Sir Rian. Ayan. We will be pinning po, Sir Rian. 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, one more. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, thank you so much po, everyone.
Okay, thank you. And then just like acknowledgement to all the viewers, the audience in YouTube live stream, in Zoom streaming right now, and special shout out to Binagbag National High School, represented by their principal, Sir Richard Bagtas. Also, if we have representative from UP Manila, and also we have PS Bios members here. We have Sir Bernard Isaiah Law. We have Dr. Leslie Lubos here. Also, Dr. Sergio Andres, and also for the sponsors who provided the prizes for our games, our president, Miss Catherine Madigma, and Miss Angeline Macasinag. So thank you. And for the last part, we'll just have closing remarks by our chair, Dr. Armando Lee, and then follow up by short photo opportunity, and then the QR code for the feedback. Okay, take it away, Doc.
All right, so we will have our closing message by our chairman, Dr. Armando Lee.
Distinguished guests, esteemed speakers, and fellow participants. As we conclude this enlightening webinar, Tanglaw Tala, the Filipino contribution to sustainable living beyond Earth, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you. To our exceptional speakers, Ms. Catherine Mandigma, Ms. Angeline Macasinag, and Dr. Johannes Paulus Hernandez, thank you so much for sharing your expertise and insights on space biosciences and sustainable living. Your contributions have undoubtedly shed light on the possibilities and challenges of space exploration. Our moderator, Dr. Paul Anthony Cordova, and the organizing committee of PS Bios, thank you for your tireless efforts in making this webinar a success. Your dedication to Philippine Space Biosciences Society's mission is truly commendable. Now, to all participants, thank you so much for joining us today and engaging in this meaningful discussion. Your enthusiasm and curiosity are what drives us to continue exploring and innovating. As we celebrate the World Space Week 2025, let us carry the torch of knowledge and inspiration that was ignited today. May the insights gained from this webinar inspire us to contribute to the pursuit of sustainable living beyond our planet. Once again, maraming salamat po to everyone involved. Mabuhay ang Philippine Science, Philippine Space Biosciences Society, and may we all live and prosper, not only in this planet but as well as in space. Thank you and good day.
Maraming salamat to Dr. Armando Lee. Now we will ask everyone to please open their cameras for a very quick photo op. For those here in the Zoom chat, thank you everyone. Please, Miss Angie, can you the share screen po? May I ask everyone to please open their cameras? Ayan. No. Yan, sige. Please open your cams. Waiting for others. Now again, big shout out sa natin sa Binagbag school, high school. Maraming salamat po for this event. A big shout out din po para sa Philippine Space Agency for supporting this event as well. Meron pa po bang mag-open ng cameras? All right. Okay, sige. We'll be taking a picture in a few seconds. Can I ask everyone to open your cam? Again, to our PS Bios members here in the Zoom, Sir Bernard Aisalo, Dr. Leslie Lobos, Dr. Sergio Andres, and the principal of the Binagbag National High School, Sir Richard Bagtas, and also from UP Manila as well. Thank you. Okay, so I think everyone here has opened their cameras. Can somebody cancel that? Canceling the whiteboard. Sige, so, ready? 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, one more. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, second page. 3, 2, 1, smile. Okay, last page. 3, 2, 1, smile. All right, sige, thank you everyone for attending this morning's webinar.